Here are the answers of Check Your Progress for Unit 2, page 36 and 37. Open your books and write, and check what you have written before. Question 1. The fish has fins to swim. A streamlined shape شكلها انسيابي. Gills to breathe خياشيم للتنفس. Sharp eyes and mouth that allows the fish to eat its food. عشان تسمح للسمكة تاكل. بكمل. He has a hump. حب حجبة. تخزين الماء. You can write now or afterward. The eagle. Sorry, it's can pick, not be. It's wrong, sorry. This is the same crocodile in your book. This is the tail, skin, eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, feet, claws, المخالب. Here are the answers. The prey, الفريسة. طف خشن. The skin is tough, الجلد خشن. So that another animals can't eat the crocodile. إنه ما يقدروا ياكلوه لأنه يابس جلده خشن. It's tough. And its tail is too strong for swimming. And the nose helps the crocodile to find the food. And the claws help the crocodile walk and hold the food. يمسك الأكل. This is about the identifying key اللي هو للتصنيف. كيف نعرف الحيوان من الصفات الموجودة إلى التصنيف؟ إنه نحط كل حيوان له صفاته. The mouse. The rabbit is vertebrate. عنده عمود فقري. ممارسة ثدييات ترضع أولادها. Has 4 legs, eat carrot. The snake. الأفعى vertebrate reptile زواحف. Has no legs ما إلا إجرين عشان هي تزحف. It's dangerous. The fish. إلا زعانف وخياشيم. The cat also is vertebrate. عمل ثدييات as we said before ترضع صغارها. Has 4 legs. Don't see the A, it's wrong. Legs. L-E-G-S. Rub the A. Here are the answer of question 4. Page 37. Thank you and goodbye.